All right, let's factor this trinomial completely using any method. And remember, look for a common factor first. I don't think there's a common factor here. There's no common factor between these three terms. Let's see if we can factor this thing. So let's use the AC method. AP squared plus BP minus C. Let's multiply 4 times negative 5. We get negative 20. So we're looking for two factors of negative 20 that add to positive 3. Factors of negative 20 that add to positive 3. 21, no. 10 and 2, no. 5 and 4, there's no way I can get 3 there. So let's look at the discriminant. Let's look at b squared minus 4ac. Let's examine this discriminant here. So this is, again, ap squared minus bp, or plus bp plus c. So b here is 3, so 3 squared minus 4 times a, which is 4, times c, which is negative 5. So I have 9. So negative 4 times positive 4 is negative 16, times 5 is positive 80, and 80 plus 9 is 89. So because 89 is not a perfect square, that means we have real zeros. It's not negative, so we have zeros, but so if I'm thinking about, I'm thinking about the quadratic formula, right? If this here equals 0 or a perfect square, I can take the square root of that and I'll get a rational number, right? I'll get a rational number here. So that means we get some kind of rational solutions as our x's. And if that happens, that means we can factor this trinomial here. But since this, what's under the radical here is 89, that means I'm going to have negative b plus or minus the square root of 89, which is not a perfect square, which means this is not factorable. It's actually prime. Can't factor that because this discriminant here is not a perfect square. It's not 0. Can't be factored.